What's up, y'all? We got a new video here with Webbie jumping on the ground as he's walking into some kind of party that apparently one of his neighbors was having. So he was filming like the whole thing, but I'm gonna let you guys check it out.
Hold on. Hold on. Look at bundle. Bundle. You don't know nothing about no bundle.
I'm gonna send Greg to a bundle, so I'm gonna get my bundle.
Look.
But do not put my car on Instagram.
No. I'm telling you, it's no such. Look.
In my car, but do not write the date.
I'm not gonna show no. I ain't gonna show no license plates or none of that. Y'all, we at the house. She done called me over here, woke me up. I say, come on. She say, come around the corner. We having a nice party. She say, let's drink. We having a party around the corner.
I'm in the Club Ratchet. You drinking?
She say, Club Ratchet. When you go to Club Ratchet. Do the Ratchet. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that.
Bless your heart.
Let's go.
You just jumped in the deep end.
This is Webbie. He's gonna get you a man.
We at the party. We at the party. Here's up. We at the party. We at the party. Yeah, man. Nice to meet all of y'all, man.
Okay, that's Lori from the video.
Lori, Laura,
That's
Jen, Guy, Venkat, Francine, James, Amar,
That's her husband.
Martin,
Much respect.
Dimitri, and Lindsay.
I'm Webbie.
It's a
Let me
whole
tell y'all
shit
what's
show.
going on before you know, a lot of people watching right now, whoever want to watch. I got woke up by her.
Yep. And you need a drink. You need a drink.
Oh,
You gotta have a drink.
I need to get to the airport in the morning.
No, this is
Somebody
tradition.
gonna drive you.
I know.
Huh?
Somebody gonna drive you.
No, I got.
No, this is tradition. This is tradition.
Yeah.
I gotta get to the airport.
Oh, you want
They
one?
making me drink.
Okay.
Okay, ready, y'all guys. All right.
Look,
Wait, Jen. Wait. We gotta get Jen. Lori.
it's up.
Jen.
It's up.
No, you gotta film it.
It's up. It's up.
Happy Friday.
Cheers.
Club Ratchet.
Club Ratchet. Do the Ratchet. Do the Ratchet. It's up.
Nobody drinks.
That's how we feel right now.
Oh, man.
That's how we
The
feel.
lights that came on. Oh, my God. This what you get. This what you get when you move next to millionaires and billionaires. This what happens when you move next door to billionaires and millionaires. You know, but
No, Amar, really? No, it's not. This is not happening, Justin Bieber. No.
look at her. See something else. You see something else. What that is? So who that is?
Justin Bieber
Justin Bieber.
and Khalid.
That's Justin Bieber.
Goosebumps.
Justin
Not
Bieber.
Scott, Goosebumps.
Goosebumps. Justin Bieber.
Justin Nober.
I don't know. I don't have nothing to do with
You
it.
drink more, you know.
Oh, look at her. Look at her. See the way. See the way.
Oh, Powerline, that's her song.
That's the what? Oh, no, no. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. We're going to start from here. It's up. We having a party. We blessed. It's up. 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 Yeah. 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 It's like the club up in here. The club up in here. It's like the club up in here. The club up in here. Yeah, it's up. 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 Look. The dumb way. The dumb way. The dumb way. The dumb way. You better believe that. You better believe that. You better believe that. You better believe that. I gotta catch an airplane. So I'm out of here. I'm up out of here. I'm up out of here. I told my homegirl I was coming through. Girl, I'm coming through. I'm coming through. Look, it's up there. It's up there. It's up there. It's up there. Way through the clouds. Way through the clouds. It's way through the clouds. It's way through the clouds. I'm telling you, the dumb way. The dumb way. The dumb way. Y'all gonna be there. I'm telling you, I had to come through for my people. Y'all gonna be there, maybe miss my plane in the morning. It was very nice meeting all of y'all.
So gracious.
It was very nice.
My name's Lindsay.
Who was all on the arm?
Lindsay.
Who was all on the thing I posted?
Okay, that's Jen.
Yeah.
She's the one that needs to get down.
There they go right there. Man, people. Look, people been calling me from every direction, asking me how to get in touch with her. I don't know. That's her right there. I don't know. Y'all do the rest.
Where we gonna find you, man?
It's up. Oh, she already found one. Look at all those smiley faces right there. Jen, if you had a chance, look. Somebody give me a smiley face. Anybody. If you had a chance to be Jen's boyfriend for tonight, put up a smiley face. What a smiley face. 100. Somebody say, hook me up. She say, hook me up, Webbie. Oh, yeah. He gone. Go. It's up. Go. It's the dumb way. The dumb way. The dumb way. The dumb way. We having a party. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. I'm talking through the roof. I know y'all ain't called me here for nothing. Look, I know y'all ain't called me here for nothing. When I come through, it's gonna be the dumb way. Whenever I come through, it's gonna be the dumb way. Every time I come through, it's gonna be the dumb way. Gonna be the dumb. Look at her. Look, she the one. She like to cover her face. She the one. She the one right there. Look at that. Here's up. Here's up.
Pick that up. That's a shot.
Oh, no, that ain't a shot to me. It's like a bottle to me. She says it's a shot.
Bro, come have a look.
Here's up. Look. Let's go. They've been asking about y'all everywhere. Let's go. How you doing? Here's up. Yeah. Look at her. They've been asking about you everywhere.
So yeah, as you guys could see in the video right there, Webbie, he was filming this party that he was invited to by like one of his neighbors, like from around the way. But you guys can leave a comment down below what you think. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.